the Chef George, owner of the company Events by George Catering. Today, let's cook a delicious vegetable salad, green salad. Very easy and very healthy. To make the pickles onions, let's put half cups of hot water and half cup or vinegar. I'm using the white vinegar, but you can use any kind of vinegar. We keep it in this water and vinegar for 30 minutes. We add the spinach, dry cranberries for the salad, onions, the pickles onion. Look how beautiful color and smell beautiful too. And Feta cheese. If you have the vegan client, don't put or you have in your family or your friends, somebody that have a vegan, don't put the Feta cheese. The rest ingredients, less the Feta cheese. This is the final result for the salad. Spinach salad is colorful, it's very healthy. If you have in your house or your family or friends somebody vegan, remove the Feta cheese and put on the side. You can use any kind of dressing. I will use balsamic, mash very good with this salad. I hope that you enjoy the recipe. Share, like, your comments are very important for us. Every day we put a new recipe in our YouTube channel, and we made any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.